Hey, what's up? This is Hxppy, and this is my show, The Hxppy's Take Show. Today we're going to be talking about 5 ways to grow an Instagram audience organically. 1, make sure you pick a theme and sort of brand yourself. Make sure everything is consistent and that it can be recognized by your audience on different social media. You always want to make sure that your brand is recognizable and everything is consistent, so you can create trust within your audience. 2, post consistently so your audience can know when to expect content. And number 3, make sure you're engaging with your audience. Ask them questions, you can run contests, whatever you got to do. And the more conversation you have, the more Instagram will share the post because they'll think it's more relevant and that it has some value to it. Number 4, use hashtags. That makes you eligible to even get into the explore page, and it helps you be able to be seen by more people. 5, make sure you run ads. That's the same thing with using hashtags. Just makes you be able to be seen by more people. Even possibly increase the conversion rate or increase your following, as you guys are on this video for. My name is Hxppy, and follow me on Instagram. I have it right there on the screen. And make sure you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys are posting consistently, making sure that you have a certain theme, and let's grow them followers.